How to download and install Roblox mobile on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download and install Roblox on your mobile device. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store and just search in for Roblox application just like this. So once you're searching for that, just click on this application button over here and just click on install. So as you can see, it has over 1 billion plus downloads all over the world. So based on your internet connection, it should be automatically downloaded and installed on your device. So just wait for a few seconds. So once it get downloaded, you can just tap on this play button over here to open the application, and you can also sign in with your account, or if you don't have it, you can create new account, or you can also use your quick sign up feature, and just like that you will be redirected to the home screen and you can start playing or enjoying the Roblox application. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.